Walking into your kitchen while on a high-stakes video call only to have the screen freeze is a special kind of modern torture. We have all been there, standing on one leg near a specific hallway corner just to get a single bar of signal. That is the exact frustration this new high-speed mesh system from Xiaomi is designed to eliminate. It is built on the newest wireless standard, which people are calling the 7th generation of home connectivity. Think of it as a coordinated team of units working in perfect harmony to blanket every single square inch of your home in a single invisible web of high-speed data. Instead of one lonely router struggling in the basement, you have multiple smart nodes talking to each other every millisecond. Each one of these sleek units is pushing out serious power across different frequency bands. Whether you are downloading a massive game file or just scrolling through video feeds, the system handles the heavy lifting without breaking a sweat. One of the most impressive hardware features is the high-capacity port on the back. It supports speeds that go way beyond the standard limits, which is a massive win for anyone with a high-end gaming computer or a professional workstation that demands a rock-solid wired connection. In actual day-to-day use, the performance is remarkably consistent. If you are standing in the same room as the main unit, you are going to see speeds that fully utilize even the fastest fiber internet plans available today. But the real victory is the way it handles roaming. This system manages the handoff between nodes so smoothly that you will never notice your device switching connections. You could start a video chat in the garage and walk all the way to the attic without the video quality dropping for even a second. It uses clever new efficiency protocols to make sure the signal stays strong even when your house is full of connected phones, tablets, and smart televisions, all pulling data at once. Getting everything up and running is surprisingly straightforward through a dedicated mobile app. There's even a clever shortcut where you can simply tap your phone against the top of the router to join the network instantly. This is a game changer when guests arrive and you do not want to hunt for a written password. For those who have already invested in a smart home ecosystem from this brand, these routers even act as a central gateway for all your sensors and lights. However, it is important to be realistic about the trade-offs. The most notable omission is the lack of a specific high-frequency band some more expensive models include. While most average users will not miss it, those who live in incredibly crowded urban environments might find that they are missing out on the absolute peak of interference-free performance. The advanced settings menu can also feel like a bit of a maze if you are not someone who enjoys tinkering with network protocols. You might encounter the occasional software bug that requires a quick reboot or a firmware update, which is often the case with hardware that pushes the boundaries of new technology. If you have a sprawling estate, you will definitely need to invest in several units to maintain that seamless experience, and those costs do start to climb. Despite those small hurdles, this setup represents some of the best value you can find for the next generation of wireless tech. It turns a spotty, unreliable home network into a professional-grade system that just works in the background while you live your life. It is an affordable, robust, and future-proof way to make sure everyone in the house stays connected without the constant headache of dead zones.